Hi Nine, welcome to your sixth lesson of physics on energy dissipation. So today you're going to be learning about what is meant by useful and wasted energy and what eventually happens to all that energy that we say is wasted. So a little do now for you to try, a little mini experiment. I want you to try rubbing your hands together. How do they feel? Can you think about what are the energy stores that are involved? What is the transfer of energy? So how is the energy being transferred? And where do you think the energy is eventually being transferred to? Okay, have a go at that now. So hopefully when you had a go at rubbing your hands together, they felt warmer. So you were moving your hands, so there's obviously going to be kinetic energy involved. And if they got warmer, then there's going to be thermal energy involved. And because of it involving movement, it was a mechanical transfer of energy. Okay, so the force, your hands were being forced and they were moving against each other. And eventually, even though your hands have got warm, that energy will be transferred to the surrounding air. So here's a gap fill on this in a bit more detail for you to have a go at. Pause, and then the answers will be revealed. So useful and wasted energy, that's what you're focusing on today. So useful energy is energy transferred to where it is wanted in the way that it is wanted. Whereas wasted energy, as the name suggests, is the energy that is not usefully transferred. So what I want you to do is identify from the options the useful and wasted stores of energy for a television, a car, and a heater. Have a go at that now by putting the options in either the useful column or the wasted column. Okay, and here are the answers for you to check yours. So you can see you've got the useful and the wasted for the television, the car, and the heater. So this is some information on energy dissipation. Now I've got this from the BBC Bite-Size website, so you can click the link and read it there. But what I'd like you to do, just very simply, is to have a read and just to summarise this text into your own notes. So don't just copy it word for word, you don't need to write all of this down, but take the main key points. I would suggest no more than 10 bullet points after you've read this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a little quiz on the BBC Bite-Size website. So if you copy and paste that link into your web browser, it should bring up a quiz, and it's a quiz on all the different topics in energy. There are a few we haven't learned yet, so if it asks you about power and efficiency, you can ignore these for now because these are going to be in our next few lessons. And as always, here are the questions with the answers and the key points, which hopefully you can add to your mind map or make yourself a new revision card for today's lesson.